Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel. So my name is Agbola Steven Fraser. So today I'll be teaching you how to create the very first repository on GitHub and how to create a GitHub account. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, what is GitHub? So probably you're wondering what is GitHub. So GitHub is a hosting platform. It was launched in 2008 and in 2018 it was acquired by Microsoft. So GitHub is a platform where you host your codes, and also you can collaborate with friends and work on projects. To work on projects, you can collaborate with peers to work on projects. So it's kind of have a version control, help you to track your coding. So and it uses a version control called Git. So it's so amazing. I really love using GitHub. So if you go to Google and you search for GitHub, alright, so when you get to this page, the very first, you click on the very first link, and that's the GitHub homepage. Alright, you can see I really love this website. The page is just so fantastic, and the interactivity here. So it has a start line here: give your code a home in the cloud. And very simple, and it explains basically what the website does. So let's create a new account. So I want to say this here: I already have a personal account, and I have to use this email just to show you how to create it. I don't want to create a new account. So when you get to this page, that's github.com here. Right, you create a new account. You can click on sign up. Okay, yeah, here we go. So welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. Yeah, I really love this page so much. I love what I've seen here. Alright, so I have an account, just like I said earlier. So I want to use this temp email. It's a temporary email just to show you how to create your account, how to go about it. Excuse me. So I'll paste the link here. I'll paste the email. So here you should type your email here, your email account. But for the course of this tutorial, I said I'll be using this temporary email. So here you have to create your password. You have to create a password. So I think let's create my, okay, I want you to see where I type. So my GitHub. So you can just so you type your password here, you type your email and your password, then you continue. So now here you choose a username. So you can choose a username of whatsoever you want. So my name is Steven Fraser, and so I can write Steve. Just write a random username, like your name, your nick. You can write whatever you want. So let's say ICC. So it's now available. You get the response there. Username ACC is not available. So should we use? I don't know. Alright, so let's try account 1 2 3. Yeah, so trial ACC 1 2 3 is available, so we can click continue. So would you like to receive product update and announcement via email? So you can click yes, that's Y for yes and N for no. So let's say yes to receive updates from GitHub. So let's go. So we have a little puzzle here to play. Yeah, I hope this will be interesting. So start puzzle. So pick a spiral galaxy. Yeah, it's very easy to detect. Yeah, so also we should pick a spiral galaxy. Please if you have any question regarding this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be so glad to reply and let you know. Alright, so GitHub has sent a code to the email I use. So here I come here to copy it. So thank God I have it here. Alright, so this is the code here. So if you use your email, you have to go to your email to copy the code, the launch code that GitHub will send to you. So I'll copy it here. So I have to paste it here. Now I'm good to go. Yeah, here we are, it's initializing my dashboard. So wow, this GitHub is very nice. They have a dark theme, which is very good for the eyes when you're working. Alright, so okay, so you see your account has been flagged. Basically the reason why this happened is because I'm using a temporary email, which is not acceptable. Please and please, it's not acceptable. Alright, so I will log into my personal account. So this is basically how you create an account and GitHub. Very simple and easy. So once you are done creating your account, you should have a page like this. And also GitHub has the amazing features to teach you how to learn Git and GitHub without any code. That sounds interesting. So you can start a project, you can read the guides on how to set up your GitHub account. Okay, so I will log out. So I sign out of the one I created. So I want to log into my own personal GitHub account. So I have it here and I sign in. Yeah, so probably you might be wondering, this is dark theme, and the former one was in dark theme and this one was on light mode. So it's basically a setting actually. So I'll show you how to do that later on. So I can come to program, I can come to my repository. So this is my image here. Alright, so this was the project I created, I think 3 days ago. Yeah, that was 3 days ago. And also this was both. Okay, so now this is how you create a new repository on GitHub. So you go to this plus icon here, then click on new repository. So what repository does basically, it's just like where like the cloud space where you put your code, everything you want to create. You start by creating a repository for to host your code on GitHub. So now we have to give our repository a name. What can we call it? Alright, I work on the project recently, so let's call it music sync. So description is actually optional, but you can write it here wherever you feel it interests you. Okay, I can write about the project, like just a few. Okay, so I'm saying my music sync repository. Alright, so okay, so here you have public, anyone on the internet can see this repository. Choose sorry. So GitHub actually have a free plan and a paid plan. So if you want to keep your code private, that means you go to private, and this will request you to pay some amount. I don't know the token you have to pay, but for the free plan, just go with free. Anyone on the internet can see you, and of course that's what we want to share our code with people. So now you click on add a readme file. So you have to it's advisable to click on a readme file. So what this readme does, it's like to keep a documentation of your code, and for people to read about what your repository is about. So this readme file serves as that. Okay, so you click on create repository. So here we go. So if you remember the description we created the other time, this is it, my repository, my music sync repository. You can always edit it at any time you want. So if you want to edit your readme, so you can click on this icon here. Okay, so my music sync repository created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'm trying to cause change to the readme. Okay, so I have to come down here. Okay, so I have to come down here and create commit change. Don't worry, we'll be talking about the main and other tabs later. So you have the code, you have the issue, you have the pull request, your action, you have project, you have wiki, you have security, you have insight, you have settings. We'll be talking about them later on. So here we go. You see, we're having my music sync repository before, but now we have my music sync repository created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All right. So what's amazing about GitHub now is like you can upload your files even from your computer directly. So this is what you do. Okay, so we are on the readme. So this is the readme, and this is where I said you can edit it right here. So you can add files here. So you can create new files, and you can even upload files from your computer. So let's click on upload file. So we can drag and drop files into our computer, into our GitHub repository here. So let's come here. I'll sort of have some files on my computers and project apps. Okay, so this is the project I created sometimes. So this is all my files here. So I want to upload it to the repository we created recently. So you just have to drag and drop. So it will upload all the 38 files I have on it. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Yeah, so our file is done uploading now. So we have to create on commit change. Okay, so sorry, we can add the change we make here. Whatever change we make here, we can always write it here so that you know what you do. So added project file, added project files of music sync. So this file, processing your files, this will take a few minutes to complete. Yeah, so my files have been uploaded. You can see it's basically HTML 52% and CSS 48%. So I can share this repository with anyone I want to. So basically I can just copy the URL, the HTTP and share with someone here. Just click on copy. You can download the zip file. Alright, so I hope you get what I'm saying so far. Okay, so now I remember this is the light theme, so you can change it to that theme. You can always change your settings, the appearance. So go to settings, come to appearance, then you choose that theme, light theme. So you can always change it. Yeah, so it has been changed. So I hope you understand this tutorial, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.